No boyfriend, no problem. No girlfriend, no problem. But no money, that's a big problem. Listen, money is the foundation for everything. You can survive without relationships, but when you're broke, everything feels heavy. You can't enjoy life, can't chase dreams, can't live freely if you're stuck wondering how you'll make it through tomorrow. You see, when you're broke, everything feels like a struggle. You can't love, you can't thrive. You can't experience life the way you're meant to. Money isn't just cash, it's freedom. It's the key to living life on your terms. So focus, work hard, work smart, build something solid, because no one's handing it to you. When you earn money, you unlock the power to live your dreams, to do what matters. Forget the distractions, forget the opinions. Your grind is everything. Be ruthless with your time, make it count. If you're still with me, drop 100 in the comments. Follow for more. Keep grinding, keep growing. This is just the beginning.
Yes, እውነት ነው።